So how can you make motion and graphics on your iPad? Let me talk about some ways how you could achieve this in my personal experience with it. So if you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it depends on what exactly you're trying to achieve, right? Because there are some very professional and dedicated motion graphics apps on the App Store. For example, the Alight Motion is an app which you can get from the App Store for free, but it requires a monthly or weekly subscription. But the point is that that application is going to be very professional. There you can like set up the layers and camera angles and all of those things, to basically just go with the perfect animation which you can create in here. You have so many options available. So if you want to go that professional route, then of course explore such app. Another one is the Toon Squid app, which is also available, and it's like very nice for animation capabilities and all of the other things in here as well. Then there is also the Adobe Fresco and the Procreate. So yeah, more apps which take have a little bit of a learning curve. But if you ask me personally, if there's something which I quickly want to just like animate in my videos, I like to use CapCut Video Editor, where I can add things like different videos, for example, green screen footage or photos, which I can add to my timeline and then click on overlay so I can put it on top of my clips, and then I can just using keyframes animate it and create like these like motion graphics, not in the proper sense of the word, but it kind of gets the job done for me if I don't want to be too professional with it, right? So I can animate some different things inside of my CapCut projects, and it's going to work out fine. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you are aware of any of the apps or which route you would like to take. Thanks a lot for watching, and subscribe for the next explanations and quick guides like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.